Well, welcome to our Amsterdam data center. As you can see, security is very important to us. So here we have a fingerprint scanner to get into the data center. And here we go. So here at SoftLayer we have a thing called the pod concept. So in Amsterdam we have the capability to have 2 pods. We started to build this out, and a pod is roughly 4,000 servers. So here we have the capacity to build roughly 8,000 servers depending on the server composition. And we have the standard data center things. So we have dual cooling, dual electricity, battery backup, and dual power for each one of our racks. We have an automated platform so that we can deploy your servers from anywhere from 5 minutes to 4 hours. So 5 to 15 minutes for virtual servers, cloud servers, and 1 to 4 hours for dedicated servers. So we keep the servers racked and ready, and then when you order a server, it goes through our automatic provisioning system, and then we can deploy it directly to your box. No one in the data center installing the software, it's all automated. And as you're aware, computing power is only part of the equation. The other part of the equation for reliability and speed is the network. So what we've developed is a 3-tier network. We have your public network, we have your private network, and then our proprietary out-of-band network. So what that means is you can split the traffic from the public network, which is mostly the internet, a private network, which is data center to data center, and not just our data centers, but other data centers like Google and Amazon and others. And then our third one is the out-of-band network, which is the management network. And what that gets you is, no matter what's going on in the public and private network, you always have access to your code and access to your servers. And then if you look closely, you'll see the redundancy. So for every one of our servers, we have 5 NICs, or connections. So that's redundant on both sides, on our switches and on our servers. And then another thing you'll see as part of our proprietary is if you look at these power outlets, these were custom built for us. So what that gives you the ability to do is you can remote boot your server through our portal. You can even do it through our mobile application. So from your mobile phone, you can reboot your server. It's all automated. No one actually comes in and touches the power supply. You can see here we have our cloud row. And you'll notice the only difference is the network connection. So this is a shared environment on the network for a virtual machine. But for us, a server is a server. It's been a busy month for us, so we launched Flex Images, which gives you the ability to make a copy of your image, store it, and then deploy it on a virtual machine or a dedicated machine. It's seamless, so you can do either way. You can say, I want to copy my environment from a dedicated to cloud environment, put it on a dedicated box, for more computing and more network power, or I can say, oh, I need to scale up quickly, copy from a dedicated machine, and then do a virtual environment. As you can see, for us, server is a server, and it's just how you deploy it. It's up to you. You can scale up, scale down. For us, it's all the same. Now let me walk you through how we build up our data centers. And all of our data centers globally are configured exactly the same. So that makes it easy for you to deploy globally, whether it's in Asia, the US, or Europe. It's the same because all of our configurations are the same. You can see here's a rack. This is how we build it out. So we start with the racks. Then we install the switches. After we install the switches, we install our custom built cabling. Not only is it quite beautiful, no touching, but it's very practical. So all the cables are set up so they line up with our server racks exactly. So we also have a unique inventory model. So what we do is we take the servers and we put them in our racks, and then they're racked and ready. So when you order a server, it's sitting in our cages already, and then when you order, we automatically provision it, and that's what enabled us to get you your server so fast. Want more computing power? Need hard drives? 3 terabyte, baby. Oh, what? You need RAM? 2 gig, 4 gig? Tell us what you need. We'll make it happen. As you can see, we're just building into our pod here, which will be around 8,000 servers. We're growing, we're hiring. So if you want to check us out, www.softlayer.com.